गोवा चेंबर ऑफ कॉमर्स एंड इंडस्ट्रीन केंद्रीय हवाई येरादारी मंत्री प्रभू हांच्यांनी मोपा विमानतळा संदर्भात केल्ल्या सुचोवणेचें स्वागत केलां। 290 करोड खर्च करून टर्मिनल इमारतीक सुरवात केल्ली आसा, जंय बऱ्यो सुविधा मेळटल्यो। मोपा विमानतळ जातकच चडांत चड गोंयकारांक रोजगार संदी मेळटली ही खोशयेची गजाल आसा। मात ह्या खातीर तरणाट्यांनी तांत्रीक शिक्षणाचेर भर दिवपाची गरज आसा, म्हण मांगिरीश पै रायकर उलयला। आरडेक्सगो खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस।
On behalf of ASSOCHAM and Goa Chamber of Commerce and Industries, together we welcome the announcements made by the Honorable Civil Aviation Minister with regards to the airports of Goa. Let me start with Dabolim. We have been cursing the airport authorities for being made to wait in the sidelines, because most of the time it takes time for landing, it takes time to come to tarmac, it takes time to offload passengers, and there is a lot of time wasted, there is a lot of energy wasted, fuel wastage, and a lot of discomfort to the passengers. The Honorable Minister has already taken it up and started the work as far as the new terminal building is concerned. You must be aware of it. They are spending about 290 crores, where we will get better facilities, better scanning of baggages, the ease of movement. All these things will be there better, and we will be able to get additional flights also. So there is the there is a perception that this airport will be sidelined. It is not there. It is going to be taken to the next level. So we welcome this move. Second move is of Mopa Airport. Mopa Airport will be reality by September 2020, which we are waiting eagerly for. But the time in between we need to utilize properly. The Honorable Minister has made a statement that all the jobs will be for Goans. There is if you go through the MOU of the central government and the state government, it is written in the contract that all these jobs would be for the Goans. Friends, it is a very nice statement, but many people ask, are we prepared for it? Do we have the people ready for it? Or do we have the people waiting only for the government jobs? I mean, this is a question which our next generation is answering, and the next generation youths have contacted us to take it up, to start the training facilities, and which we have taken up with the Director of Technical Education also, through ITIs, through polytechnics, through engineering colleges, through other institutions. The syllabi could be drawn up. We have 3 years time, 2 years time left, and easily our students can be trained for the purpose.